Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is the Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So for today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair from this to this, okay? I'll be using my jumbo pre-stretched box braids. I'm going to be using Echo Styling Gel and of course my Dash 27 edge control and a few rubber bands and something to put my hair together. So I already had my hair kind of like separated because I'm going to be doing a center part. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to part like a section of my hair at the front and put it in a twist. So I also have already stretched my hair, so I just washed my hair and I blow dried my hair to give it a little stretch. And now I'm just parting off the section at the front. And the reason why I'm doing this, you guys, this is the best way to get your ponytail to be super flat. Like if you want it to be real flat and slayed for the gods, this is the best way to do it, you guys. So it will make perfect sense in the end. So I part off the section at the front, like I parted my hair in half, as you can see what I'm doing here. So and then I twist the two parts at the front, and I'm gonna be doing the back as well. So for the back, I'm not gonna twist the area at the back. I will be putting the back in a ponytail. Okay, so I'm adding my Echo Styling Gel because you know we want our hair to be slayed. Okay, so I'm adding my Echo Styling Gel. That's one of my favorite gels to use, one of my favorite actually. So that's what I'm doing there, just adding my Echo Styling Gel, you guys. Trying to ensure that it's in a perfect ponytail, and I'm using my brush to brush all my hair together. And I'm only doing this to the back, you guys. And I know it's a ponytail, you know, I'm putting my hair in one, but I'm putting the back together first. I'm using a rubber band to do this, you guys, and you don't really have to do it extremely tight because we're gonna be going over it again. So now the part that I have at the front, I'm just gonna slick it back, and then I'm gonna make another ponytail over the ponytail that I already have. And of course I'm going in with my Echo Styling Gel as well, you guys. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel and you like videos like these, feel free to subscribe, join the family. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because you want to be notified whenever I upload any new videos. YouTube will notify you. So that's how that works. And also like this video if you like this video. Well, of course I know you like this video. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you've ever tried this method before for doing a ponytail, you guys, and let me know if this is a style that you would definitely rock. And in case you guys may be wondering, I have 4C hair, and that's pretty much it for now. And also my edge control, you guys, that the edge control that I'm using in this video is available for purchase on my website www.dash27.com. So if you want to grab your edge control, feel free to head on over to my website, you guys. So as you can see here, I'm just creating a ponytail over the existing ponytail, okay? And as you can see, it's really flat. And this, as I said before, this is like one of the best ways if you want your ponytail to be super flat, especially if you have natural type 4 hair like me. This is like a really, really, really good method, a great way to get your ponytail to be as sleek and flat as possible, you guys. So now that it's in a ponytail, I am gonna go over my hair again with more Echo Styling Gel, because the aim is to get my hair to be as flat as possible, you guys. So just continue watching, and you'll see what I'm doing, and you'll definitely see the results at the end of the video. And this is right here where I'm doing my baby hair, you guys. And for my baby hair, I'll be going in with my Dash 27 edge control, you guys. But as I said before, just continue watching, keep on watching, and you'll see how my hair is gonna turn out in the end. Okay, so don't click off the video. I'm watching you. Don't click off the video, okay? Keep on watching. I'll see y'all at the end of the video.